do I go? We're making a pie crust for a lemon meringue pie. The first thing we're going to do is cut up the butter. We have 2 sticks, which is 1 cup of butter. Now we're going to dump 2 3/4 of flour into a bowl. Next, add your butter. Is this a pastry cutter? What is this? I don't know what it is. Mash the butter up with the flour. Yeah, get in there, butter. Yeah, gotta push hard, butter. Now we're going to add half a cup of chilled water to your mixture of butter and water. Do it slowly. Oh, hold on. Got a little cockroach or something on here. And then once you got the butter, flour water mixture in, that's how you do. Now wrap it up with some plastic wrap.
Take it out of the bowl and put in plastic wrap.
It's stuck. Hold on. So take it out of your bowl, place it on the plastic wrap, and then put it in the refrigerator. So now that we got our dough out of the refrigerator, we're going to cut it in half and start rolling it out. Yeah, that's right. That was one side. Dust some flour so it doesn't stick. Add a little more. There we go. Roll it out. Roll it this way. Roll it that way. Roll it all around. Up and down, we roll our dough. Take it and start rolling it up on the pin. Gently. Come on, you dough. Roll on this pin. Yeah, stick it a little bit. There we go. Stick it over your 9-inch platter. Like this. Like so. Pat it down. Firmly, but gently. Pat it down a little more. How you doing? Take your knife and go around the edges, taking the excess off. Now we put it in the preheated oven at 350. So we're going to take our 2 lemon and lime and get the zest off them first. Cheese grater. Do it against a cheese grater. Watch out for the sharp bits. It'll cut ya. Yeah, there we go. A little more. Yep. Scrape that lemon. There we go. Then you have your zest of lemon and lime. Now we need to juice them. Cut them in half. Squeeze. Catch all the little seeds and things. That looks good. I think I got it. Oh, a little more. Seeds. Now you try, Doctor. Squeeze. Squeeze.
Oopsie, I dropped it. La 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 la. I love lime. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze lime. La 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 la.
So now we're doing the lemon part. So you add a cup of sugar to your saucepan. And here we have 2 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 4 teaspoons of salt. Mix that up a little bit. You got your lemon zest that goes in there. And lime. Cup and a half of water. And the juice from your lemon and lime. Put it on your burner, medium-high heat. Bring to a boil. Now that you got your mixture boiling, add 2 tablespoons of butter to it. I should have cleaned my stove before I started. It is what it is, YouTube. Now we have 4 yolks. We're going to put in slowly and whisk. Slowly. We don't want to make scrambled eggs. Now whisk away. Whisk fast. Now that we got our thick mixture, we're going to pour it into our pie crust. That's your lemon pie filling. Now we gotta make the meringue. Now we're making the meringue part. So we're pouring 4 egg whites. Whisk it until we get it foamy. So now that we got it foamy, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of sugar. I gotta pee. Now we check our peak. It's pretty. That's gonna go on top of our pie. Just glop it on there. Spread it. There we go. 1 glop at a time. 4 eggs made all that. And some sugar. Now put it in your preheated 350-degree oven to get it a little crispy golden brown on top. Ooh, pretty hot. And this will be my very first lemon meringue pie. It's time to take out the pie. Now it's gotten nice and golden. Now we gotta wait for it to cool. And we cut the pie. You got it going? Lemon meringue pie. That's art.
Yeah. Good pie.
Good pie. It's so warm too.
Yeah.